Hello, good morning. I am Navin, Managing Director of Genaide Pharmaceutical. We are exporting pharmaceutical products and we are using Shipzy software for export related documents preparation like invoice, packing list, tax invoice, EVD, duty drawback, non-hedge, SCOMET and product related label. Previously, we were using a manual system like we used to use Excel for creating all this document. But since last 6 months, I am using the Shipzy software, and we found it's very user friendly, very convenient to use, and it's saving lots of time. Previously, to prepare all these things, it almost took my 4 to 5 hours. Even sometimes all day I need to be spent for the creating documents. But after using the Shipzy, now I can create all these documents within a 15 minutes or within a click of just by 10 to 15 minutes. Yes. And I found the Shipzy team is a very amazing. They are very supportive. Whenever we are posting any query, they are solving within half an hour maximum. So if you are an exporter, I would highly recommend it to use a Shipzy software. This is amazing software, wonderful product developed by the Shipzy team. Thank you so much.